Hello everyone, in this particular video we will be talking about a pseudo number generator. So what is a pseudo number generator? It is a function basically which generates some random numbers. Okay. Now for everyone's understanding, I have already written a code which I will be giving a walkthrough so that everyone can understand what is going on. So we have created a function called linear congruential generator which produces the next pseudo random 32-bit integer number. And there are inputs like we take some previous number for the initial seed calling, and every time we get the next number which we can figure out, and we have to do modulus so that the number remains between the particular integer range. uh, it should wrap around 2 to the power 32 because anything above that won't be accepted. So we take an unsigned integer, which is a multiplier and incremental constant. And what we are doing, we are returning a 32-bit wraparound automatically. Like if you guys remember, uh, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you know this particular theory, this theory is being used here to do this particular problem. And there is a normalized random, which we just divide it by 2 to the power 32 minus 1 to get a float in the range. So we divide the value in a floating format. And this is the main function where I take a seed value as a productive starting point, and we take the current value. Now we have to generate the next number. Let's say we have to generate 10 values. So we call the linear congruent generator for the current value. It gets me the next PRN, and we normalize it to a particular scale of 0, 1. And we will print both the raw integer and the normalized format of that. This is the particular code which will help us generate a random number generator kind of a thing in C programming. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.